If you've been scrolling online and suddenly spotted Nuamore Watches with their shiny ads promising luxury jewelry and watches at affordable prices, you might be wondering if this brand is the real deal or just another site trying to cash in on your attention. And that's exactly what we're going to uncover here. Nuamore Watches doesn't limit itself to timepieces. It also offers a wide selection of jewelry and accessories like necklaces, earrings, rings, bracelets, and even sunglasses, all advertised as being made with marine-grade stainless steel and plated with 18,000 gold, which gives off the impression of durability and premium style without breaking the bank. At first glance, the products look elegant and polished, but digging deeper into the background, things get a little less clear. While the domain is active, the brand itself is relatively new, and there's limited transparency about its history or the real people running it, which might be concerning for shoppers who like to know exactly who they're buying from. They do maintain social media pages to showcase their products and keep customers engaged, but again, the lack of founder information or brand story leaves a gap that makes some potential buyers cautious. When it comes to customer service, they provide ways to get in touch, yet experiences vary, with some customers reporting polite and helpful responses while others complain of delays in communication, especially when it comes to handling shipping or customs problems. Speaking of shipping, this is one of the bigger downsides. While many customers eventually receive their items and are happy with the quality, there are several reports of long waits, tracking issues, and in some cases, unexpected customs charges that push the final cost higher than expected. On the flip side, verified customer feedback paints a somewhat balanced picture. Nuamore Watches holds a 4.3-star rating on Trustpilot, and plenty of shoppers praise the packaging, product shine, and the overall quality once the items arrive, which suggests the brand is indeed delivering on its promise of stylish, well-crafted accessories. However, for every positive review, there are also concerns about reliability, consistency, and transparency, which makes it harder to give a straightforward verdict. Overall, Nuamore Watches seems to be a brand that delivers real products with decent quality that many customers appreciate. But it's not without its flaws. If you're patient with shipping and don't mind taking a small risk with a newer company, you may end up satisfied. But if you value speed, transparency, and guaranteed hassle-free service, you might want to think twice before placing your order.